Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Coco's over there eating some cereal. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, this is a completely different filming situation. You're seeing my dirty home. It's a little bit messy, but you know, I have a normal life. You know, I don't have a maid or any help or anything like that. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I asked y'all on Instagram, follow our Instagram, if you wanted to see what I packed in my bag for New York. And unfortunately, I didn't use any of the stuff that I packed as far as like makeup and stuff like that. Didn't use it, not because I didn't want to, but because my husband is the dad of TikTok and he's like, you know what, we have this tour at 8 o'clock. We need to be up at 7. We have to be out the door by this time, eat the breakfast, brush the teeth, everybody out the door, out the door, out the door. So I wasn't gonna wake up super early to put makeup on that was just gonna melt off of me. But I would like to have used it anyway. Point of the video is let's go through what we took, even though we didn't use it, and we are now home, so that I can unpack this bag because I desperately need to get the stuff out of this bag. Okay, so generally I don't put my bags on the floor, but I did just mop the floor, and this is an open space. The desk where I would normally film, there's no space, so we're doing it on the floor today. Anyway, this is the Marc Jacobs tote. It's just the regular size, and let me tell you, this thing is huge inside. I have a ton of stuff. I'm gonna pull it all out for you. I am obsessed with this bag as a travel bag. It's perfect. It actually fits a lot more than you would think. So we have bag 1. We have, this is a big one, bag 2. We have bags 3, and we also have bag 4, and then we have some extras in here. I'll show you those. So inside here we also have some stuff, but I'll pull it all out and show you. But this bag is super spacious. I'll link it. It's got some pockets. It's super heavy duty, and just generally speaking, this one is a cutie. Okay, so let's go over what's in the bag. Inside the pocket I have, oh, this is the card that says like, hey, this is a real bag. I have this little mirror that I didn't use. I got this from TJ Maxx for a couple dollars. It's a Vanity Impressions. We have some hair stuff for the kids. I absolutely love this one. If you can hear them, they're in the living room and I'm in the kitchen. We also have this one here. I didn't use this. I did use this though. A lint roller, because y'all know I do wear sweats all the time and my sweats are generally black. Then I have this clippy clip here, extra pair of glasses in case I lose mine, and then a lip mask that I've never used and wanted to try, and I thought, oh yeah, now's a good time. Then we have, last thing, is a comb for the kids' hair, and my Filipino soap. Yeah, this soap is amazing, not gonna lie. I used it and I just put it back in here, but I am obsessed with the Filipino soap. If you have a Filipino market by you, you could probably pick the soap up. Otherwise, I will link the one that I do get from Amazon when I don't have a market near me. That's all for the bag. That's bright. That's some bright light. What do I do to fix it? Okay, it's not getting any better, y'all. Okay, we'll just darken it up by sitting in the shade. Kind of the shade? I don't know. So I'm just stopping the unpacking to chit chat for a second. So we were in New York. We had a great time. The vlog will be out soon. I know I look rough, y'all. I washed my face. I put some contacts in and a bra on just for y'all, so I didn't look completely horrible in this video, even though I know I look bad. I had to take a quick break though because I'm dying. Our air condition, like I have it set to 65 and it's been at 72 all day long. I don't know why. The air condition sucks. Anyway, let's get to unpacking. So I have these 4 bags from Victoria's Secret. I would link them for you if I could, but I got them in Japan at the Navy Exchange or the NEX, so there's no way I could link them. I've never seen them at any other Victoria's Secret or Pink or even at the outlet ever, but they are super, super cute. I mean, I got the entire set and they're just, it's adorable. There's more, I have more bags, but this is what I took with me and what fit in that bag perfectly, so that's amazing. And then I also have this bag to go through that I also carried with me with some other random stuff. Let's just get into it, y'all. Okay, so you can see my kitchen thing going on. We got our water thing, we got a coffee bar, we got our little rolling cart that came from Costco. It's a mess, but that's okay. So in this bag, we have the iMethod Beauty Stamp thing, and then, oh, this is from e.l.f. It's a brow gel in, I think it's just brown. I can't read it. And then I just packed some random brushes. So brush bag pretty much. It's a brush bag that didn't get used. Then what do we have here? Oh, skincare. So I did actually use this bag. Obviously, you got to do the skincare, right? Okay, move the camera down some so y'all can see a little better. This I talked about in a recent video. It's from Good Molecules. It was, I don't know, $12 or $14, but I've heard amazing things about it. It is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. I'll link it. So far, I do love it. This has been a holy grail for a while. It's just the Pixi Vitamin C. And then I also grabbed this one from Good Molecules, and it's a Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Y'all know I'm obsessed with these. I talk about them every time I find them at TJ Maxx. I buy them, love them. They're like $3. You get 20 or 40 little patches. Obsessed, love them. Then this from Kiehl's. They actually sent this to me and I was supposed to do like TikTok videos and I never did, and they stopped sending me stuff, but their stuff is amazing. It's a retinol skin renewing blah 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 serum. I wear this one at night. And then one more thing. What is this? I don't know. This is some kind of face thing that's for your face. I don't know, y'all. It's for your face. It's in, you know, there's a bunch of letters that just, they jumble together. So it's called Ascorbic, okay? Solution 12%. It's from The Ordinary. It works for whatever it's supposed to do, I'm sure. I'm almost done with it, so I must love it, right? Let's carry on. Okay, so that's our little skincare bag. I'm just gonna throw all of this stuff in here. And this actually goes, I think, so this goes into one of those tri-folding bags, and then this one goes into a smaller one. So I have a bigger one, and then I have a smaller one. So these actually go to two completely different sets. I have had them for, I don't know, 7 years or something. I've had them forever. Anyway, what's in this one? I don't know what's in this one. Let's see. Oh, this is actually, so the kids' toothbrushes, my toothbrush. Oh no, their toothpaste squeezed out everywhere. Damn, that's not cool. I need something for this. Ah. Okay, so inside there is some toothpaste mess. That's not, you know, that's not freaking ideal. Okay, I got these. Oh my God, more shit. Oh, Yaya's here. Well, I can't see your face. Oh, there we go. Now look up at Mama, not at the phone. So we have a different camera system thing happening. So I have a camera connected to the phone as a screen. Hey, look at the thing in my hand. There you go. Oh, we gotta get you up there. There we go. Okay. Okay, I bought these to help remove the makeup and exfoliate. I don't know what I said, but I brought these. I got them from what am I doing? I got them from the Dollar General. When we were in Pennsylvania, I found the FAV Beauty, so I brought those, never used them. We have our body wash here. We have a pick with more toothpaste on it. Oh God, it's everywhere. Ew. That looks a little suspect there. We have this I got for like my birthday gift from Sephora, and I brought this as my face soap. This is not, it's not going well. Okay, I wasn't expecting that to happen, but I feel like we're gonna pull some more stuff. Yeah, okay, so we have this, which is just a travel water moisturizing cream. Yeah, it's not ideal, okay? This is kind of a little messy that I didn't expect to happen here. Toothpaste, a random toothpaste, you know. We have another thing that has toothpaste all over it, but that's okay. This is my little secret. Not many people know I use this. It is men's Rogaine. You buy this one in a 3-pack. It lasts, I don't know, probably like a year or longer. I mean, each bottle, there's a lot in it, and you can use it twice a day. So this has actually helped my hair become a lot, like twice as thick, because my hair is pretty thin. So this is something I actually use, y'all. Don't judge me. And if you didn't know, you should purchase some. Listerine, no stinky breath over here. Deodorant, no stinky armpits. And then what else? We have a little wand spoolie thing, Q-tips, tweezers, and a few bobby pins. That's it for this bag. We're gonna move this stuff to the side. I don't want to put it back in that toothpaste bag. Okay, let's get into this one, which is my, well, it used to be my handbag. I'll link this. I do love it, but I just needed something a little smaller for quick trips out. So my laptop was in here, and this is gonna irritate me. That's this thing here. Then we have this bag inside a bag. This bag is a knockoff. Not even gonna lie to you. This is not real Gucci, okay? It's fake Gucci, Fucci. Inside of here, a microphone, just a small microphone. The thing I'm actually using to film with goes into this case here. It's a little gimbal recording. It's kind of like, what are those things called? What are those things called? They're the little video recorders. What the hell are they called? I don't remember, but it's super small. It's a handheld device, and that's what I kept this stuff in this bag, and then I would take this with us wherever we went so that I could vlog the trip. And then if I ventured off on my own, you know, just to go get a cappuccino or something like that, I would take that with me with like one card, the room key, you know, I could shove my phone or my glasses in there and it fit okay. So that's what I use that for, but I didn't, you know, I didn't want to just carry it, so I threw it in this big bag with my laptop, and then I had like a hard drive and some other stuff, but it's all over there because I've been editing. We have a few videos out anyway. We also have some contact solution and then some lotion, even though I always say, like, y'all don't judge me for being ashy. It's because I buy lotion and I don't use the lotion. We have some spray, Watermelon Lemonade from Bath and Body Works. I love this scent, and it's like the condensed one, so you spray it once and it fills up the room. But sometimes you get a hotel that doesn't smell that good. Even though we were at the Westin in Times Square, you would think that's gonna be a really nice hotel, and it was very, very expensive. It was not that nice. It was not that nice. They were lacking in a lot of things, and I would never go back there, even if it was cheaper, I wouldn't. Then we have another pair of glasses because, I don't know, I might lose them. And then we have my phone charger that I would use at night, and I haven't unpacked it, so I haven't been charging my phone at night. That's been a problem. That is what we've had in this bag. Yes, that's the Shark vacuum thing over there, and I absolutely love it. I am obsessed with it. Okay, now let's get into this. This is one of my favorite bags from the collection. I absolutely love this collection, but it goes like this. So you can hang it, you have a little pocket, and then you have two bag areas, and it zips up nicely. So in this part, you can hear Coco saying, Tita, come on. They're talking to each other. So in that little part, we have lipsticks. The girls did play with the makeup. So we have Pillow Talk here, which is a holy grail from Charlotte Tilbury. And then we have this from Urban Decay. It is in the shade Rush. Thought it was just a pretty shade, so I brought it along. I should probably, there we go, use this more often. I probably have only used it a few times, but she's pretty. And then y'all have seen me wear this one a lot. This is Divine Romance. This is kind of like a go-to if I have a berry eyeshadow look, and this is what that one looks like. She is absolutely, this is life for me. And then we have a YSL and some random number with Japanese writing. I can't even read what it says. And it is this shade here. Gorgeous. I seem to have a, you know, favorite type of shade thing going on. Yaya's back. Okay, let's go through this pocket first, even though I don't have really an order or anything. Yaya's gonna sit over here with us in her little Minnie Mouse getup. Hi, Yaya Bear. Oh, you're Minnie? Did you have fun in New York? Yeah? Good. Okay, so I'm just gonna start pulling this stuff out. Laura Mercier, you know, we know what this is. We use it. Okay, then we have the Morphe blush. Did a little video review on these. This is in the shade Red Wine. I didn't use this one in the video. I haven't used it. Coco probably has, but this is nice when you swatch it. Oh, thanks, Yaya. We got this new Huda blush. It's a cream one. She's a pretty corally shade. I think she's called like Coral Cutie. I used this, but obviously none of this I used on the trip. Oh, thanks, Yaya. I always say it. TikTok made me buy it. Mascara. Then y'all know I use this all the time. It's the Uoma Double Stick or Double Take. Oh, see, the girls were going in the bag and using the makeup. So here's another lipstick from YSL. Oh, she's more of a little berry kind of shade going on. Nice. That's pretty. Then we have this. I bought this and did a little video on it because I was trying some new stuff, but it's the Milk Hydro Grip Eye Primer, and I mean, I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. Oh, that's Mama's little lady thing there. Thank you. I bought these together as a little combo to use together. So this is the ILIA True Serum Radiant Priming Serum. What is it called? True Skin Radiant Priming Serum. I like these two together. I still have to work on perfecting my little thing, but I'll link that video below. And then, no. we have this that was pretty clean. I mean, obviously it's like got a little stained, but this, the girls were using it one day when I stepped out. They were playing with makeup and they know not to use the foundation, but Tita did it, and that's why she doesn't normally get to play with makeup, because she doesn't listen. Anyway, we got the Fenty here and then the NARSSoft Matte, two things that I absolutely love. And then y'all know I always rave about this. This is my go-to bronzer here, Charlotte Tilbury, and then this is the Shape Tape from Tarte, which obviously everybody knows that. We did bring some perfume, so we brought the Chanel. This is the one in the pinkish type of bottle. They have like 3 different ones that are like this, but different colors. I think one's blue and one's yellow maybe, but I love that one. Little Travel Becca Highlighter. This is a gorgeous one. This is in the shade, I'm looking at it upside down. Okay, that's why. Vanilla Quartz. I generally take this one when we go on vacation just because it's small and it's pretty. If I look at it, it looks like somebody dug into it there. That probably happened while I was grabbing a cappuccino. Another beauty blender that, I mean, was stained right in here, but that is new foundation, so that's not cool either. A Fix Plus Gold Light Setting Spray. We have the Marc Jacobs. I got this palette for $20 at TJ Maxx. Never used it, ever. So I thought this would be a perfect time to try it out, and the shades are just like complementing type of shades, so it would work. I've swatched it, but I have never used it. Okay, I guess if I do this, you can kind of see what the camera thing looks like that we're using, or that we did use, and that's why it fits into that little fake, what's it called? That little fake fanny pack so well, because it's tiny. We have a bronzer from Ciate London. This one is a shimmery one, so I like to have the choice between a matte or a shimmer. This one is gorgeous. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm. And am I the only one that tends to keep a lot of the boxes to their makeup? I do. New Boyfriend Tears from Hindash. It's the highlighter that is gorgeous, and I am obsessed with it, so I had to bring it. We have my contacts that I also did not wear. This is Grace Green. These are my favorite ones. These are the ones I normally wear. And then this is a, what is it called? Like Pro Filter Banana Setting Finishing Powder. But I got this and this and this to all go together for one video. And then I had also purchased this, but not for necessarily a reason, blah blah blah, not necessarily for a reason, but these 3 I purchased to use together. And then the very last thing was this, and I thought, you know what, for as much money as I spent on this, I need to use it, so I brought this one. I did a review on this, I think, or at least I talked about it in a video. She is gorgeous, but she was very expensive, and that's cardboard packaging. So now we're finishing it. We have Tita. They went and changed their clothes. They're not supposed to continuously change clothes because they don't know how to do their own laundry. And then we have Fancy Nancy over here. Hi, Fancy. Oh, Coco! Coco, the co-host. Nope, there's nothing in there. You're looking for candy? Yeah. Nope, nothing in that one. Sorry.
Nothing in there?
Nope, nothing in there. Okay, Mom, gotta finish the video, okay?
Just first.
Oh, okay, tell everybody, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, all those good things. You're gonna do it?
Bye.
Okay, yeah, you can put that back, yeah, you bear.
It's full.
You know what it's for. Oh, what are you? Nope, that's soap. Put the soap back.
It's perfume.
Yes, it's perfume.
What
Put that. That's my contacts. That's face soap. What is that?
I'm gonna
Yeah.
wear these in the videos.
Yeah, I wear those in the videos. Good job.
I know what to do because I can see them.
Yeah, and I wear them.
I always wear these.
You wear that? Is that why there's a chunk missing? Oh yeah, Coco.